Hello, I'm David Chaston with 989, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news. Our currency powered higher against both the Aussie and Euro on Saturday in New York currency markets, pushing the TWI5 to over 80 again. But first, with Greece rapidly running out of money and again teetering on the edge of default, Germany said Friday that the Greeks would receive a desperately needed financial aid payment only after creditors approved a package of reform measures that the Greek government has promised to send them soon. In China, one key problem that has been identified by the OECD as the country's economy slows is a mismatch between people's education levels and the needs of the economies increasingly reliant on technology and innovation. China will be a very big buyer of education services, it seems. In Australia, their regulator said that banks and other advisor networks were abusing the system, which is designed to alert ASIC to the systemic problems of the market. Four-pillar bank NAB is in their sights at present, but the financial services regulator is now angry at the continuing revelation coming out from bank advisor networks and their lack of integrity. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yields held their level on Friday and are now at just 1.93%. Somewhat surprisingly on Friday, in New Zealand, our local swap rates did not follow Wall Street. They rose 2 basis points across the curve. The crude oil price rose marginally to $46 a barrel, and Brent crude is at $55 a barrel. The US rig count fell again last week, but output continues to rise in the latest EIA data. Drilling productivity is rising fast. The gold price also rose, recovering part of its recent slump, and is now $1,185 an ounce. The New Zealand dollar starts today very much stronger against the greenback at 75.6 US cents, up more than 1.5 cents, is at 97.5 Aussie cents, a new record post-float high, and the TWI is at 80.4, which is as high as has been on the TWI in more than 2 months. We also hit a new all-time post-float closing record high against the euro at 69.9 euro cents. I'm David Chaston. That was 989, brought to you by interest.co.nz.